In this video, I will show you how you can scrape results of a LinkedIn post. We made this LinkedIn post. We got 412 comments, 18,000 views, and that will be way too much to just like answer all these people manually. So we just scraped the results of this with a data miner. I will just quickly show you how you can do this. Install the free extension data miner. Once you install it, you can click new recipe and the thing here on the right will open up. You'll have to select if it's a list page or a detail page. This is a list page because there are multiple items on one page. Next thing, you will select how a row would look like. You can use the find button here to just select these things, and then it will automatically find the correct HTML for you. For example, this one. Then you can select like the ID or the class. I would advise you to always go for the class because an ID tends to be very unique to one piece of the website, while a class is reusable. So let's just take this one, confirm, and then we can see if it's really the good one, if it's being selected automatically on the other ones of the page as well. And that's definitely the case here. So we just selected it, we saw is the correct one, and then we can now go to columns. So in columns, we will define how a column of each row should look like. First thing is that we're gonna do name. We're gonna select how the name how we can extract the name. Here you see that I already selected something, and if you go in the preview, you can see all the scraped information. Again, how you can do this is just do find, you hover over it, you press the shift key, and it will suggest you something. You select it, confirm it, preview it, and then you see, all right, it's perfect. We will repeat this one more time for the URL, since we also want to extract the URL. We want to be able to connect with the people that we're not yet connected with, and we want to send a private message to the people that we are connected with. So we will do the same. We will try to find a thing that we can click, like here we can actually also click on. Is that high enough? Maybe we have to click somewhere here. I don't think that this is good enough. Let's see. URL, let's see. Look, it's not, that means that we now selected this one, but it was not the correct one. That will often happen, that you are not able to select the correct one using Shift. I selected the correct one previously, but I will show you how. So you just click right and do inspect. And then you will see here that there are some A elements. The A elements are link elements. And then you can see here the A element has like this class here, comment, post, meta, profile, link, actor, link. And you see that I chose one of these A ones and I put them in here. So how we can do this actually is I can just like copy all of it, push it in here, and then make sure that I keep only one. So all the ones that are split with the space you can remove. So you just left with the first one, you will preview it, and bam, there are your LinkedIn URLs. So what you would want to do, of course, first is just scroll down to the results and make sure that you click on read more so that you have all of them, especially if you have a couple hundreds of them. You could also do it here with the navigation, that it will do it automatically for you, but let's keep the video simple. Now we will just like run the recipe. You can sit so that you can reuse it afterwards. I will run the recipe, and then here you can see the results that were scraped. I can now save it as a CSV or as an Excel file, and I can use it now in further automations such as Phantom Buster.